Hello traders, welcome back for the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis of weekly time frame. On last Friday, I gave you the weekly analysis. That was the point where I started my analysis and gave you this analysis. And this is the chart of Nifty Bank 1 hour time frame. Always remember, whenever I do any analysis of indices, I use 1 hour time frame for the weekly analysis, and for intraday I use 5 minutes time frame. So this was the last point where I gave you the analysis and you saw this move. Since the whole week I have been talking about a lot about this movement, so I don't feel that it is now necessary for me to talk about this movement. I have uh, talked a plenty of times. So uh, I come to the summary of my last week statement, because without comparing my statement, whatever I give my statements, uh, without confirming that, I do not start the new analysis. So for this sake, I start my analysis with the previous statement. If you see, in the previous statement, I said that this is the area, this is the line, red color line. If it is taken out upside in the both time frame 15 minutes and 1 hour, then you will see the upside move. Similarly, I talked about this line, this white color line. I talked about this line and told you that if the price takes out this line in the both time frames 15-hour and 1 hour time frame chart, then you will see the downside move. The new viewers who are watching this video, if they are not acquainted with the taken out condition of both time frames 15 and 1 hour time frame, I would recommend to first watch the video where I discussed these two things in detail, so that you can understand what is the meaning of taken out condition in both time frames. Until and unless you understand this condition, you will not be able to uh, get familiar with the analysis which I try to provide every week. So for this, I am sending, I am attaching the link uh, in the description box of this video. You might find from there also. Okay, now this taken out condition has not been fulfilled either sides, uh, not upside, not downside. So you saw the movement inside this range, inside this range. So this was my statement, which I gave you last week, and I have discussed quite a lot about this movement the whole week. So let us discuss about the next week movement, how the next week will behave. Listen carefully. This is the zone the price made here, and this is the white zone. Now you have to apply the taken out condition on this particular zone. If it is taken out upside in the both time frame 15 minutes and the 1 hour, then you will see upside move. Similarly, the price made this zone here, if it is taken out in both time frame 15 minutes and 1 hour, then you will see the down. But it is quite necessary to be satisfied the conditions in either sides. Okay, this is how the next week will go. Come to the next week analysis, what the price would do in the future, in the next week. Okay, now I start this analysis from now this point. This is the point where the last week price ended, and you can see here that I made this white zone and this red color zone. These are the two zones which are quite effective in my analysis for the next week. You have to understand what I'm saying about these two zones. So listen carefully and implement in your analysis. You will definitely would get good insight of your trades and good information regarding entry and exit also. So what you have to see this white zone. If this white zone is taken out in 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, in both time frame, then you will see the downside move. Otherwise you will not see. Okay, this is a condition for this white color zone. Now come to the this red color zone. This is the zone where you have to keep your attention properly, because if this zone is not taken out in 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, that then you will not see the price moving upside. If price wants to move upside, then this zone has to be taken out in both time frame, otherwise you will not see. Okay, so this is the upward side condition, and downward side condition has already been discussed. Now you can see here, I made a box, a white color box here. Okay, see, if the upside movement is not taken, the price doesn't confirm the upside movement, then what will happen? The price will get rejected from this box. Only in the one condition, the price will reject from this box, when upper side condition will not be fulfilled. If upper condition wants to be fulfilled, then this box will also be taken out. But I am not giving any condition for this box. Okay, the condition is only for this zone. But this box is quite important, because you might see rejection from this box also. Okay, had the box uh, would not give any rejection, then you will see price going upward. Otherwise you will see reaction from this box also. But there is a difference between this black color line and white box. This is a difference of almost 500 points. Okay, now why I gave this 500 points difference? See, this is the black color line. If on Monday trading, this line is not taken out in 15 minutes time frame, mind it, in the 15 minutes time frame, if this is not taken out, then you will see the move to the box. Okay, if it is taken out in 15 minutes time frame, the black color line, then you will see the move to this zone, not below this zone, only to this zone. Okay, you have to keep all the conditions in your mind while trading bank nifty. So these conditions are now clear. uh, I think there should not be any misconception regarding these conditions. These are very simple conditions. I gave you these two points, new points, that is one box and black line, plus these two zones. Earlier, in the earlier uh, analysis, you were not facing these two zones. Only red color line was there and this white color line was there. But now the price has converted the total formation into the zone. That is why I set it as a zone. Okay. Now let us discuss the next indice, that is our Nifty. This is the analysis of Nifty on 1 hour chart time frame. Okay. Last week, when I gave you the analysis, it was that point. The price ended its movement here, and I gave you the analysis for this movement. Okay. Since this movement has been talked about lot of times, so I will not discuss what happened here and there, but to corroborate my last statement, so I will just give you only the summary of that statement, where I told you that if this white zone is taken out in both time frame, then you will see the price moving upside. So here you can see this zone was taken out and the both time frames, and you saw this rally. Okay, you can see the difference between the two indices. In one indice, that is Bank Nifty, the price could not take out that condition and could not take out that red color line. But here in Nifty, you can see the price took out uh, from this zone and gave you the fulfillment of the condition and a rally also. Okay, so both indices are uh, moving in different ways, in different direction also, because uh, both both are having different nature right now. Until and unless the moves of these two indices get synced, you will not see any good move upside or downside. Now, let us discuss about the feasibility of conditions in Nifty also. uh, you can see here I made a yellow line. Yellow line is the point where the price takes out in the both time frame 15-minute and 1 hour. Then you will see the downside move. This is the this is the detail of this arrow, red color arrow. There is also one red color arrow that is also that arrow should also be to be noticed. And this condition you will see I have given this green color line. In the next trading session, if the price takes out this red color line in 15 minutes time frame, but basically I'll not use this 15 minutes time frame in Nifty. I use that in Bank Nifty. Here I will use 30-minute time frame. If the condition, if this is taken out in 30 minutes time frame, then you will see the move to this line, red line, this yellow line. Otherwise, we are now I'll talk about the contrary condition. Okay, otherwise you will see the contrary condition. Now these two conditions are, I think, clear now. If this is taken out, yellow color taken out in both time frame, then you will see the price moving to downside. Whereas this green line, if the next trading session in 30 minutes time frame the condition is taken out in only that time frame, then you will see the price moving to this level, the yellow level. Now come to the upside condition. See here, I made one red color line. This line is taken out in both time frame. If this line is taken out in both time frame, then you will see the price going to white color line. This is the point where you will find resistance. Okay, the price will go to this line, and this line is taken out in both time frame, then you will see upside move. Okay, I have given you four conditions, and each line is having different condition. This is having different condition, yellow line, and green line is having different condition, the red line is having different condition, and white line is having the different condition. Okay, you have to keep watch on these condition and these levels. They're very important level in next week. You will get concrete results from these levels, and you can make your positions according to the conditions fulfillment. This is the Nifty chart and conditions for next week. uh, Here I will discuss about two candles also. See, this is the hanging man candle, white color candle is the hanging man candle, but it is not activated yet. If it is get activated and fulfills the condition, this green condition, then price will definitely move here. And similarly, uh, here also, see, this is the buying pressure, that's why you saw this move. And next candle, no, I don't find any candle to be discussed here. Let us see once again in the Bank Nifty, do I find any candle to be discussed? I think yes, that is the candle, that is also the hanging man candle, and you saw the reaction when it's get activated, you saw the move here. Okay, similarly, this candle is the spinning top, but it's not activated till yet. So let it be activated uh, to the in the downside, then you will see the movement to the this zone. Otherwise, if it doesn't gets activated, then you will see the move up to this box. Okay. uh, I feel the whatever the conditions I gave you in this analysis in the both indices, that will work magically tomorrow, and next week, and in next week moment also. So you have to keep eye on your chart with these condition. Mark the levels which I gave you here on your charts, so that it would be easy for you to see all these condition activating on the charts or not. With this, I sum up my analysis and give you the best wishes for the next week, so that you can make good money. Be safe. Goodbye. Thank you.